welcome back to episode 11 of the 89 Classic Mini Restoration. I do apologise for this build going a bit quiet, but our focus, like mentioned if you watched our other videos, was IMM and getting two cars to and fro there. Both did it if you've not seen the other videos, and yeah, it was a cracking weekend. Weather was atrocious, organisation wasn't the best, but if you love your minis and you like getting together with your mates, you can't fault it. It was perfect for that. So that said and done now, it's time to crack on with the 89 again. So I left you with the 89 build, and the subframe, the subframe and floor weren't quite marrying together properly. Number of reasons that could have been poor bracing, it could have been the shells moving a bit on that jig, it could have been anything, it could be fault down to the panels. I wouldn't put the fault at the panels because everyone else has seen used heritage panels, they fit pretty well. So I personally wasn't going there first. Through further investigation, I noticed that as I rotated the shell, so when it was the right way round, I could get one bolt front in the two back holes where the rear section of the subframe bolts, if you like, and I could get some in the turrets at the heel board at the front. Flip the car around, you haven't got open hell. So that confused me a bit. So in my eyes, the shell was sort of doing that on the jig. It was a homemade jig. I don't know how good it could have been. So that was my main concern. I spoke to a few people. Dave Jaguar gave me a phone call all the way from Austria. Can't thank him enough. On the phone to him, he gave me his views, and we sort of thought the same thing really, that the jig is trying to pull the car apart, therefore giving the wrong datum points, therefore panels not lining up. Looked on a few different sites. Mini forums helped. Same again. Jig's causing an issue. So I've opted to get rid of the jig. If you've noticed, there's no framework next to me now, jig's gone. Good friend Jimmy and his brother John have been restoring a GT. That's on the mini forum if you've not seen that. That's now been painted, and that's all sort of coming to a rebuild stage now, so he didn't need his method. And his method is 2 roof bars, planks of wood, casters. The shell's now permanently upside down when I do this work. I can move it around, it's at a better height actually. So far, things seem to be fitting better. They're needing forcing a little bit, but better, and better is always a good thing. So I'll spin you around and show you the setup now. This is only a short video, I'm not welding or anything in this video. I just wanted to catch up, touch base, and sort of see where we're at now regarding this build. So I'll spin you around and I'll show you the setup of the roof rack, or roof bars, and how we've put the subframe in so far. Right, so. Pretty difficult to see, but you can see the roof bar there, you've got plank of wood, roof bar there. The microfiber is clearly, it's merely just sort of cut up so don't damage the roof gutter we're doing it. The shell can be moved around, it's nice and easy to move, and it has definitely, so far, made a difference. It's at a better height to work at, which is obviously a good thing, and it's nice and sturdy. I mean, it's properly solid. I mean, to be honest, it's probably more solid than it was on the jig. So we come back up to this shiny, nice bit, which looks fantastic when you look at it like that, but it worries you when it doesn't fit. So, where are we at now? We've managed to get 2 bolts in. We've managed to get 2 bolts in. This one's just not tight yet. I've just not done it up, but it lines up and it goes in. We managed to get a bolt in there, just like that. And with a bit of force, we've also managed to get one in there. That's not far off. I think it needs a bit of wiggling, maybe adjusting this maybe. And it's the same story here with that. So effectively, everything's had to go that way. You can see I've used straps to ratchet it forward, and I'm quite happy with it now. I'm going to take measurements. I'm not touching a welder yet. So, but it fits along here nice. I've put this piece in here, so you'd see the weld mark there and stuff like that. Obviously, I think once it's all welded, it's getting tidied up. I folded all this back, and you can see the floor is right up against this new flitch panel. Those line up absolutely perfectly there, and if you look at it from a view from there, it's really chuffed with it. It looks absolutely beautiful. I mean, it's going to be new. I mean, new. It's the whole bottom of the car's just, you know, it's gonna hopefully, you know, bar my welding, so not professional, it's gonna look hopefully quite factory. So all this, that just gets pulled in, and it sits really nice. On the inside it's sitting really nice as well. I'll grab a torch and we will have a look at the inside. So up on the inside, it's hit my datum point there. I'm gonna use the torch as a little pointer. It's hit my datum point there, it's hit my datum point there, and there's another one there. So, but looking around, it fits up there perfect. Obviously everything will get pulled tight with clamps before you touch the welder, but I mean, it looks a lot better. Obviously you can see the gap there between along there. It's just not screwed to that heel board yet. So I also wanted to, while I'm using it, Randy from Lone Star Mini came to see us at the IMM, and this torch is absolutely insane. I mean, that's its brightest setting. You can knock it down to that, and then you've got the above torch, which would probably been easier to show you with. So, but thank you very much, Randy, for this. So yeah, it meets my dating points there. I'm chuffed of it there. It seems to be nice and straight. And yeah, we'll leave it at that, I think, today. I'll play with the back holes down here and try and get them sort of going in nice. Then I think I probably will put a tack or something somewhere to hold that in place. And I think I'll probably do the majority of welding with the subframe in place. And yeah, any suggestions, please let me know, because this is the first sort of thing I've done like this, but so far this is filled with a bit more joy than the first attempt we had. So let's do it. This has become obviously a bigger build than we thought. Right, thank you for watching. It is a short video just to catch up and say we are still on the 89 build, but we've also had IMM in the way. My other half drove the Clubman Estate. Bar getting hot, it did the whole trip. So it got hot once, climbing a big old hill when it was beautifully and sunny, whipped the weather shield out, boom, it went. Yeah, really chuffed with it. So, but it has also set her sights to this old guy being back on the road, because this is her baby. You know, this is her car. So we are looking like this could have a deadline of the IMM 2020 in Germany. So it really needs to be finished a few months prior to that. If this floor can line up, everything stays straight, I don't see why we can't hit that target, because the back panel seems relatively straightforward to do. Front ends, I've done a few of them, so I'm not too stressed out about them. It's just getting the doors sitting right with the A panels and things like that. And then it's a case of starting to prep and paint it, because the doors are good on this car. We've got a brand new boot lid and the bonnet's mint. So we haven't got to stress over that. While I've got you guys here and I'm just finishing off this video, I wanted to say a massive thank you to the people that came up and said hi, and you watched the videos and just generally came to see the cars and chatted. It means the absolute world to me. It gives me the massive boost to carry on doing this. So I want to thank you guys for that. I also want to thank everyone that subscribed recently, because I had a goal of 200 subscribers for Christmas and we're at 200 and currently 262. And so smashed my target, absolutely smashed my target. So I'm really, really chuffed with that. So let's keep going. Let's, you know, thanks for the support, because it really, really, it's a warm feeling to know that people are watching and hopefully learning. I don't want to bore people. So more on this 89 to come. I'll get this subframe properly lined up and I'll show you it perfectly in place. The next video, you may see some welding. Let's hope so, guys. Stay safe and we'll catch you in the next one. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye-bye.